Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Moz for SEO optimization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Moz for SEO optimization, begin by signing up for a Moz account. Visit the Moz website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, log in to the Moz dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Locate the Keyword Explorer tool on the main menu. Enter your target keyword in the search bar and click Analyze. Review the keyword suggestions provided by Moz. Pay attention to the search volume and difficulty metrics. Select a few keywords that align with your content strategy. Next, navigate to the Site Crawl feature from the dashboard. Enter the URL of your website to initiate the crawl. Wait for the crawl report to generate, as this may take a few minutes. Once the report is ready, review the findings for any errors. Focus on critical issues such as broken links and missing meta tags. Use the recommendations to make necessary adjustments to your website. Now, go to the On-Page Grader tool. Input the URL of a specific page you wish to optimize. Analyze the results to see how well your page is currently optimized. Take note of the areas that need improvement. Implement changes based on Moz suggestions, such as optimizing title tags and headings. After making changes, use the Link Explorer tool to analyze your backlink profile. Enter your domain to see which websites link to you. Identify opportunities for gaining new backlinks to improve your SEO. Next, monitor your website's performance using the Rank Tracker tool. Add the keywords you are targeting and track their rankings over time. Finally, regularly check the Moz dashboard for updates and adjustments. Stay informed with Moz resources and guides to enhance your SEO knowledge. This ongoing process will help maintain and improve your website's optimization over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.